and most exciting capabilities in our inventory. The MV-22 Osprey. Captain John Drama Perkins is the aircraft commander for Oasis 1-2 from Marine Medium Tilt-Rotor Squadron 162, known as the Golden Eagle. At 300 miles an hour, the crew of Oasis 1-2 have the engine nacelles parallel to the ground with the props perpendicular to the ground. And here they come in the high-speed pass, in that high-speed configuration. About 300 miles an hour. Much faster than the fastest helicopters. Now watch as they continue on down, because they're going to begin to rotate the nacelles. That's the part of the airplane that holds the engine to enter the hover position. Slowly approaching, the engines are tilted slightly off of the vertical, but as he gets to show center, he'll begin to rotate them into the vertical position for a hovering demonstration. Keep in mind that the V-22 Osprey boasts a more than 57,000-pound maximum gross weight. They're almost straight into the vertical, and it'll begin to slow his forward speed across the ground. He's capable of transporting 24 passengers or more than 10,000 pounds of cargo. Ready to go. Rotor was coming from the right at a speed nearly half the speed of sound. As Captain Perkins demonstrates the hovering and maneuvering capabilities of the Osprey, you'll see the benefits of the aircraft's digital fly-by-wire flight control system. The first production rotorcraft is fly-by-wire. I know what you're thinking out there in the desert. Those brownout conditions might be generated by the downwash of the prop rotor. Maybe. Pilot raise and lower the nose of the aircraft. As he ceremonially is bowing here today, he's offering an aircraft salute to all here today, everyone who has supported the military. As he does so, you will see another unique capability of the aircraft. The pilot can tilt the fuselage to an angle matching the ground during landings on a float surface. beeping going on there as he flies backwards? No, just kidding about that. But he's backbeat the aircraft flying backwards over to the runway, and in just a moment he'll turn and land on the runway. When the Osprey crews have the luxury of taking off or landing on a runway or a large deck ship, it can utilize rolling techniques. These rolling takeoffs and landings allow the aircraft to operate at an even greater maximum gross weights. Here you'll see what we call the 60-degree rolling takeoff. The nacelles at 60 degrees from the horizontal. On the rolling takeoff, they can weigh up to 60,000 pounds, carrying 5 tons of payload. The Marine Corps V-22 community has had, as we enter the 5th year of operational V-22 deployment. Got the landing spot in sight, controlling the rate of descent very carefully. Pilot wants to touch down. The touch, here comes the go, and lifting off beautifully. Captain John Perkins, call sign Drama, Captain John Drama Perkins. Heading on back to New River. Ladies and gentlemen, it was our pleasure sharing this marvelous capability with you today. So on behalf of the Marines of VMM 162, Marine Aircraft Crew 26, the 2nd Marine Aircraft Wing, enjoy the rest of the show. Have a pleasant weekend. They're heading on back to New River.